What is going on, guys? Cholo of Unbox here, and for my very last video, we're going to be taking a look at the ASUS Zenbook 14x Space Edition. Are ASUS's new Zenbook laptops not premium enough for you? I doubt it. But if you're looking for something a little bit more stylish and eye-catching, then it might be worth taking a look at the Zenbook 14x Space Edition. The overall shape and basic design of the Zenbook 14x Space Edition is similar to the Zenbook 14x that ASUS released earlier this year, with some key differences. If it wasn't obvious enough, the laptop has a lot of space-themed design elements, with the most obvious being the rectangular OLED display on its lid. More on that later. It comes in 0G titanium, which of course is a shade widely used in spacecraft construction. The space theme is further emphasized by the laser etchings on the lid and body, which include Morse code deliberately inserted into the lid. It spells out ad astra per aspera, which I may have said wrong, but it's an old Latin proverb meaning through hardships to the stars. There are also circles on the body that show the orbit of the space station Mir when it was still in service. But why space? Well, the Zenbook 14x Space Edition was built to commemorate the fact that ASUS sent several P6300 laptops up to the Russian Mir space station for an extended 600-day mission in 1998. And according to ASUS, the notebooks proved to be a huge hit with the crew. The Space Edition is also super durable. It's US Space Systems Command Standard compliant. That means it should withstand the punishing demands of space travel, if you ever do take it up there. So it can resist extreme vibrations and high or low operational temperatures. Additionally, it meets the US Department of Defense's MIL STD 810H durability standards. Before we talk about the laptop's gorgeous display, let's circle back to the 3.5-inch OLED display on the lid. The ZenVision, as ASUS calls it, is customizable and can show time, battery life, and other messages, as well as animations. Of course, adding to the space theme of the laptop. The actual display itself is very good. Specifically, you're looking at the 14-inch 16x10 2.8K OLED HDR Nano Edge touchscreen. It is of course a Pantone validated display with a 90Hz refresh rate. ASUS does promise a cinema-grade 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage as well as 515 nits peak brightness. It also sports a Display HDR True Black 500 certification and is TÜV certified for low blue light emissions. ASUS also put space-themed elements in the design of the keyboard, specifically the color block power and spacebar keys. All the keys are backlit as well, of course to deal with the darkness of space. Just kidding. There's plenty of key travel here, and that combined with ASUS's Ergo Lift hinge makes for comfortable typing even during extended writing sessions. The trackpad is also big and responsive and of course has the number pad function. One of the biggest draws of the Zenbook 14x Space Edition is the use of Intel's 12th generation chipsets. Specifically, we got the Core i5-12500H in our unit. There is a more powerful Core i7 variant which is available for a few thousand pesos more. Paired with that processor is 1TB of PCIe 4 SSD storage along with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Either way, the 12th Gen Intel Core H series offers up to 2.7 times faster performance versus the 11th Gen U series in previous Zenbooks. The overall computing package is powerful enough that the laptop will be able to handle most tasks without breaking a sweat, including video and photo editing duties. You can even play some light to casual games with Intel's Iris Xe graphics. And the ASUS ice-cool thermal technology in this is built to fully unleash the 45-watt TDP of the CPU, while ensuring little to zero throttling and performance. As for battery life, the Zenbook 14x Space Edition lasted 3 hours and 12 minutes, but that's because of the 90Hz refresh rate plus the laptop's extremely loud speakers. But you're probably gonna get double the battery life if you're using it mainly as an office machine, which is what it was meant to be. And there you have it, my video on the Zenbook 14x Space Edition. It's on the pricier side, but again, you can treat this as more of a collector's item model because of the design and the eye-catching features. During my whole stay on Unbox, it was pretty rare for me to see a laptop this beautiful while being really brave with the design. The display on the lid is a real conversation starter for sure, and you'll definitely be turning some heads when you bring this to the office. You can grab the ASUS Zenbook 14x Space Edition for 84,995 pesos, and the even more powerful Core i7 variant is priced at 99,995 pesos. You can check out more reviews on Unbox.ph, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, it's Cholo of Unbox, and this is gonna be my last Unbox video, so I'll see you guys around.